guys, welcome back to the channel. Today it's gonna be a little bit of a different video. I'm not gonna be doing Supra stuff or Mustang stuff or my wife's Supra. We're actually gonna be taking it back and we're gonna be working on my first car ever. Bought this car when I was 15 years old. That's 15 years ago. That car right there. This is my 1995 Mitsubishi Eclipse. So we're gonna be doing some suspension work on this car today. The car had like a camber issue, right? And I put on some spacers. You know, the typical, move you guys, move mama. The typical way that you fix the camber on these cars is you put spacers on the upper control arms, basically just to push the control arm out, and it makes it, you know, straight. But the issue I have now is that these cars have rear tow arms, and I pushed it out so far that now the rear wheel is like this. So it came out, it was like that, it got straight, but it's got like a slight toe in from the back. I'm not sure if that's how you refer to it. So this is what we got. Some Megan Racing tow arms. These are adjustable, so I'll be able to push that out as far as, you know, it's necessary in order to get the toe properly. And let me show you guys what we need to do. So this is the upper control arm, and through on the back of here is what I put the washers and the spacers just to push it out and try to get that camber right. I thought this bushing might have been the issue while I was swaying, so I put in some new polyurethane bushings. That did nothing. So here we go. This is the control arm, or not, this is the toe arm that needs to get replaced. So this one's gonna go in here and basically just take the spot of this one. It'll look nice too. I wonder if you'll be able to see it from the back when you're driving behind the car. Probably not, because it's too low. But that's what we gotta do. Gotta take this one out, put that one in. So this nut here is a 17. This one back here is a 17. So first you take this one off, then you take this one over here off. So let's get started. I'm pretty sure these things are gonna be super tight. I've never replaced them, and I've had the car for 15 years. Let's do it without the extension. Damn, that's pretty tough. Oh, never mind. That's not too bad. Alright, that's out. Put that over here. Now let's see how we're gonna get into this one. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Oh god, that was real tight on there. Whew, that did not want to come out. So we're gonna bring out Big Mama. Let's see if it comes out with this one. Here, let me put you guys down here. I'm gonna use both hands. Hopefully this car doesn't fall on me. Oh shit. Alright, you guys saw that? I did drag the car, so let's stop that right now. Alright, so I'm not sure if y'all saw that. Whenever I pulled on that, the car did drag this way, and I only had a jack on it. But I did that on purpose, educational purposes. Safety first, kids, safety first. Make sure you have your jack stands under the car. Jack stands. Do not rely on one jack, okay? I did that on purpose. Now let's give this a shot. Once again. And I'm sure I won't drag the car this time. Oh man. Oh, there you go. Alright, so that was it. I'm gonna take off this nut here. And gotta whack this out. Gotta whack this bolt out. And it should drop right out. Now, just to make this clear, I know they make a tool or something to get these out, but I don't have it and I don't feel like going to the store, so we're just gonna whack it. Give me a second. And a few whacks later, it's out. Alright, let me get this thing in. Alright, so now the old one's out, got the new one here. You know, I was actually kind of worried about this not fitting in there properly without the use of bushings or something like that. But check this out, it actually fits in there really nice. Like, it's actually like real snug. There's no play whatsoever. So it should be pretty good. And then this over here. So you line it up. I gotta extend it out, but then it'll go in here. Alright, so the factory system does have a like a toe adjustment, and it's these plates here. So whenever you're putting this on, just make sure you get that circle lined up in the hole. The same thing goes on this side. It can only go in one way. Actually, right there is popped out. I'm not sure y'all can see, but see if I turn it, see, now it's in the actual hole. Now, I mean, I know that's probably not gonna get used much because that's what this is for now, but these little brackets here, these brackets are like welded onto the frames, to the cross brace, so I'm just gonna leave them there. Alright, and as y'all saw, the only thing I had to do is just extend this out a little bit just to get it to reach over here. Put the new nut on there. Now I'm just going to tighten everything up and put the wheel on, and I'm gonna try to adjust this. Ultimately, I know I am gonna take this car to an alignment shop. I mean, there's no way for me to get this you know, exactly right, but I'm hoping to get it enough just to take it out for a spin right now. So yeah. Alright, so this new nut from the Megan toe arm is actually a 14. So this one's a 14. Now what I'm gonna do is just throw the wheel back on and see if I can adjust this slightly. We'll see. So I got the wheel back on this side, and I was gonna start adjusting it, but then I remembered that I don't have a wheel on this side, so I can't put the car down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and install this side. You guys already seen the other side. It's the same exact process. You know, take off the nut, take off the other nut on the other side, give it a few whacks, bam, it pops right out, and install the other one. So I'm gonna put you guys on a quick time lapse of that so you guys can watch, and then I'll adjust afterwards. So y'all see, probably took y'all seconds to see that side. It's fairly simple. It actually is pretty easy. It's not hard at all. You guys can do it, I guarantee it. So if you have one of these cars and you have this type of issue, I recommend this part. Well, how am I supposed to recommend it if I haven't even seen if it works? Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and lower the car down. And oh, actually, let me go ahead and show you guys how you are supposed to adjust it in case y'all were to try and do alignment on your own. I mean, in order to adjust it, you loosen them up, and in order to either shorten or extend you just use this piece right here and you turn it. See? You see how, see? So if I push it towards the front of the car, it's pushing the wheel inwards. So let me see if you guys can see. And if I push it out, it pushes the wheel outwards. I'm not sure if y'all getting that on video, but that's how it'll work. So adjust this to the point where the tire's straight, and then you lock these up. Same thing for that side. All right, so I got it somewhat aligned. Basically what I mean by that is I just eyeballed it. A lot better. Looks pretty even. I mean, obviously you can't really go based off the body lines, but I mean, I just want to get it to where I can drive it okay. So I'm gonna take it out for a spin right now. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. A little POV action here. I just got to be very careful because ever since I installed this new lip, I'm not sure if y'all can see, but it's extremely low to the ground. It looks really good, but it's probably not the most practical thing. So I need to charge the GoPro real quick. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna come back and take you guys for a spin. So just hang in there.